In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Dogecoin from the Athene app to Metamask. First, open the Athene application. Once you're in, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom left. Then, click on the withdraw option as shown. On the next screen, tap the arrow next to USDT and select Doge from the list. Once it's switched to Doge, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, it's time to add the wallet where you'll send your withdrawal. To do this, open Metamask. From the home screen, tap on the blockchain selector at the top and choose Athene Partner. Now, tap on Import Tokens near the bottom center. Enter the token address here. Once it's added, the token details will load automatically. Click Next, then hit Import. After that, tap the Receive icon at the bottom right and copy your wallet address. Finally, paste this receiving wallet address into the Athene app where it asks for the withdrawal address, hit Confirm, and your Dogecoin withdrawal will be processed. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from the Athene app to Metamask. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.